Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you how to use the 77 perfume oil to attract people who will help you. In this video, I'm coming to talk about how you can use the 77 perfume oil to attract good luck, to attract favor, to attract people who help you. If you are also a woman and then you want to attract good men into your life, or you are a man and then you want to attract good women into your life, or you are such that when you even go out, it seems that nobody sees you. And then when you even approach people, they seem not to even care about you. Or if you are a man, you think that maybe you are supposed to get so many things before you can be attracted to women, because you see that maybe you are so invisible to people. Like even when you approach some women, they don't even think that you even exist. Or when you go to some places like a party or even a church, you seem not to even be noticed. If you are such a person, I'm coming to explain to you how you can use the 77 perfume oil to ensure that you are also noticed. You are also such that people will start loving you. If like maybe you have big men in your circle but they don't even care about you, like maybe you have rich people who are supposed to even help you but nobody cares about you, or you are such that even you work with bosses who have a lot of money but they are always stingy and then they don't even care about you, I'm coming to explain to you how you can use the 77 perfume oil to ensure that you also get the help that you need, and then you also get the happiness that you desire, and then you bring your testimony. So this is a very simple but very powerful direction that I'm coming to talk about. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, because I'm coming to take my time to be explaining how you can be using spiritual oils to also get favor and then to get whatever you want. So please, for you to get the benefits that I've mentioned, you are just supposed to get the 77 perfume oil. So you can just go to a market to buy the small one or to buy the big one, but there are some fake ones on the market. So the one that I've shown on the screen is one kind of the good ones that you can get. And then if you're also outside Ghana, you can click on the link that I've provided in the description and then in the comments to also get access to the original one, so that you use it for the direction to attract good people or to attract big men to help you in your life, to attract your destiny helper. So kindly ensure that you use the link to get the right 77 perfume oil. And then also, if you go to the market, kindly ensure that you insist of getting the right one. And then for spiritual purposes, when you are going to get an item, do not go and then be bargaining for price reduction. Kindly ensure that you buy it at the right price. And then also, do not be accepting these things as gifts from people and be using it for spiritual directions. Kindly ensure that you buy it and then be using, and then also bring your testimony. So when you are able to get one of the 77 perfume oil, what you are supposed to do is that you are going to get 21 pieces of cloves. So cloves is what you see on the screen. You are just going to get 21 of that. And then after getting the 21 pieces, what you are going to do is that you are going to pound it, or you are going to grind the cloves. You are going to make it into powder. If you are not able to make it into powder, you can also use it like that. You are just going to put it inside the oil. Then you are going to recite Psalm 23 7 times over the water, over the oil. And then you are also going to recite Psalm 51 7 times, and then Psalm 57 you are also going to recite 7 times over the oil. So if you're able to make it into powder, you're also going to add it into the oil. And then if you're also not able to make it into the powder, you can add it like that. If you're also able to get the cat seeds or the Abrus precatorius, what you see on the screen, that cat eye seed, that red and black seed, You can also decide to add 21 to it. That one too, you pound it, or you are able to, you'll be making it into powder, and then you add it to it, and then you keep it for 7 days. So you are going to keep the 77 perfume oil for 7 days after doing this to it, praying over it, and then adding the seeds to it. Keep it for 7 days, and then after the 7th day, you are now going to start using it. So what we are going to do is that every morning when you are going to bath, you are just going to add just a little to your bathing water, and then you use it to bath. And then after bathing too, you can just apply small amount of it into your palm, and then you apply it on your face before going out. So if you think that maybe you cannot get enough of it, you can just be applying it in small quantities, especially when you are going to meet some great people. That is when you use it. And then if you cannot also be adding it to your bathing water because maybe you do not have a lot of money to be buying it regularly to be using, so you want to make it, you want to be using it in very small quantities, you can just add small of it to your body cream, and then you'll be using. So this is how you are going to use it. You can decide to be using it in your bathing water, and then after bathing you apply a little onto your hands and face. But please, if you want to apply it onto your hands and face, ensure that you apply your body cream first. So after applying the body cream, you now apply this powerful oil that you have made. You apply it onto your face, and then you go out to meet whoever you are supposed to meet, and then you see that you will be attracting good luck. And then also, if maybe you have a shop and then people are not even noticing your shop, so this particular oil is such that it opens your doors and then also makes you noticeable. Like if maybe you go to some place, you'll be there, and then all of a sudden somebody else is favored, meanwhile you are the one who, you think that you are the one who is supposed to get that particular favor. Like maybe you have served your boss for a long time, and then all of a sudden your boss will just meet some small boy or small girl, and then he or she will start favoring that person. You should be using this. So if you also have a shop and then your shop is not noticed, when you go there you sleep the whole day, that one we are going to make the cloves powder, add it to it, and then you add a little salt to it. You keep it for 7 days, and then after the 7 days you'll be adding it to some water to mop your shop, and then you see that your shop will become visible. People will start coming to your shop to do their business, and then you also start getting a lot of money. There are a lot of things you can do with the 77 perfume oil, but for time being, I just want us to focus on how you can use it to attract good people or great people into your life. If you are using this in your shop all the time to mop the place, or just sprinkling some of the water there, you see that it will be attracting good customers, people who will come and then pay high prices for you to also get your money. They are the people who will be coming. If you are a woman and then you start using this, men who are such that they have good intentions and then they will be doing what you want for you are the ones who will be coming into your life. Then if you are a man too, you will be attracting a lot of women who are coming to help you. So this is for attraction. Please, if you are also a married woman and then you start using this, kindly ensure that you control yourself, because even though you are married with your ring, still a lot of men will start chasing you. This one is such that it brightens your star, such that you become visible to people wherever you go, where you were not even noticed at first. You see that people will start noticing you. Whenever people want to favor somebody, you are the one whose name will come in their minds, and then you are the one going to be favored. So this is such that it is very, 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 very powerful. It opens your doors and then also ensures that you are favored. But please, when you are in your menstruation as a woman, stay away from using it. Don't even touch it at all. And then also, as I said, when you buy it from the market, ensure that you recite a Psalm 23 and then Psalm 51 over 8, and then you start using it. So this is a very powerful spiritual oil. There are a lot of spiritual oils that I shall be talking about in the next video, so please kindly ensure that you subscribe. If you also have a question, kindly ensure that you comment it in the comment section for me to come and reply you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, you share the link to as many friends as possible for them to also follow the remedies. You can also follow me on all the social media platforms. I am on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, I'm on all the other social media platforms, Instagram, and all of them. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.